Hello everyone, this is Business Plus on your way today. Guys, I really want to show you something amazing, something awesome about the trade that we took today in the VIP. So I've decided to be sending free signals for everyone. As you can see, before I explain how the signal is being done, you can see the signal was sent from the VIP, which is the premium channel. Yeah. So for crash 1000 index, and which the TP was set to 6899, and also the SL at 7174. So we sold crash 1000 index earlier today, as you can see the time. So now let me go back to the chart so that we can explain how exactly I did this. All right, you can see the chart is self-explanatory, but before I continue, guys, I just want you to click on the subscribe button and also like this video so that this will encourage me to drop more video. And also, if you're interested in picking free powerful signals, free VIP signals, free profitable signals from the channel, I just want you to click on the description below to join the Telegram channel. All right, so guys, let's proceed. This is daily time frame. As you can see, for crash 1000 index, and on daily we can see that the trend of the chart has been coming down for a while. Okay, so it has been coming down, and mind you guys, before I proceed, let me say this. Anytime you're trading, put one thing in mind, that you are not trading against the trend. Okay, you're not trading against the trend. That's a very huge tips that's gonna place you higher on your trading career. So guys, as you can see on the screen, we have a downtrend for crash 1000 index, which I have personally gotten something from. Let me show you from this. As you can see, we have a W shape here. All right, so which I get in from around this point after when I see this particular candlestick for a buy. All right, so and when it almost gets to, let me use the crosshair now. When it almost gets to this point, all right, I have to close the buy, so wait for another sell. So guys, it's not a must for you to be trading all pairs. Like, I trade boom 1000, boom 300, boom 500, and come to crash 1000, crash 500, crash 300, and like that. So you can decide to stick with just one of them. All right, so when you stick with one of them, this will give you a upper hedge, especially for those who are trading currencies. You can decide to stick with Euro USD. You can decide to stick with all USD currency, all currency that was paid with USD. All right, so you can decide to do that. So it's not a must you trade everything. You trade NZD, JPY, and stuff. No. So now let me come back to this. So you can decide to stick with only crash 1000 index. All right. So as I've said, anytime you're trading, you have to spot the type of trend you are in. Now let's say, for example, you open a trade for the first time. All right, so and you see that is downtrend, which some people will say is oversold. Okay, you don't know if it's oversold, overbought, and the only thing people look at is the indicator, right? So the indicator will just show you that, oh, it's overbought, now you sell. No, most times it's not working. All right, because all the spaces, the white spaces you're seeing here, all right, you can see that the chart is going this direction. Okay, it's always going this direction. All right, and what we're having up here is unlimited, is till infinity. All right, what we have down here is till infinity, and what we have at the side here is till infinity. All right, what we're just doing is we're just spotting the trend. As a professional, you just spot the trend. Now, as you can see, that this trend is now a downtrend. Okay, then also I spot the last support here. You can see currently the price is at the last support, and we are probably waiting um for a breakthrough at this zone here. Okay, probably waiting for a breakthrough at this zone here. Okay, when we have a breakthrough here, then it means that this will continue with this downtrend. Okay, it will continue with this downtrend. So that's exactly what is happening on H1 time frame. But I would not want you to forget that when you're doing your analysis on higher time frame, you have to do your execution on excuse me, you have to do your execution on lower time frame. Okay, so higher time frame might be exhausted for going up from here and might decide coming down, and at the same time I want you to look at another thing from another angle. So you have to check everything from different angle before you make your decision, guys. That's very, very important, so that you will know exactly what you were doing. So now look at this. Excuse me. All right, look at this now. Look at this now. So the chart might be coming down from this point down to this point. All right, before it start going back up. Finally, that's very, very possible. That's very, very possible. But mind you, remember we are on daily. Okay. Now, anytime you're trading, you have to make sure that you are on the proper time frame before you take your execution. Okay, so that um the trade will not give you problem. So now let me go back to H4 time frame, which the signal was picked from. Now I want you to see this. You see the time frame. You can see the TF on this. All right, the TF is H4, which I told everyone to apply risk management. So you can see that on this channel now, all the signals that I've been dropping for a while, it's free. So guys, you can join. Check the description below. You see Telegram link. Join so that you can be particle of this something sweet and something good. So now before I took the trade, I want you guys to notice something. Let me go to D1 and delete some things from the screen here. Alright, let me delete this too. Alright, now let me go back to H4 time frame. So you can see here I have to spot this zone here. Okay, I have to spot this. You see, I have to spot it with this. Alright, so it's a point of rejection. That's the resistance zone. I have to spot that and before I make my decision for itself. Okay, so and if I'm selling, like I've said on D1 time frame, the chart might come down to this point here before it start going back up. Okay, so now you can see I set the TP at, you see the TP is at 6899. The TP is at 6899. So 6863 is around this point. Our entry is around this point, around 7-1 stuff. Yeah, that's where our entry is at. Alright, so I've closed some trade and I had to enter for another one. So this is the second entry, but let me leave it at this. So these are entry 7104. Let's go for 7100. So that's our entry. Alright, so as you can see, it's coming down. We have spike, lots of spike. Alright, so if you want to pick the best money from the market, what you do is you go on higher time frame, do analysis, then do execution on lower time frame. So guys, this is it for this, and as you can see, it's behavior of course 1000 index on M30 time frame. You can see it's making sense. It's making sense. So you can see we have the completion of an M of a hem. You see it come down, goes up, then come back down of a hem. So everything about trading means that you just have to be patient with yourself. Okay, so you're gonna make huge money, and as you can see, 8 lot size is giving us a huge money on this. Let's go to H1 time frame. You see everything is super But the time frame I like most on this is the H4 time frame. Let me see exactly what's happening on H4 time frame. This is massive, guys. So I just want to update you on what we've been doing, and if you're interested in taking these free signals, just click on the description below and join the Telegram channel. All right. Then if you need mentorship, I just want you to chat me at Business Plus CEO. All right. So BISNETPLUX CEO. That's at Business Plus CEO on Telegram. Then I'll respond to you ASAP. So, guys, this is it for today. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye.